Hi.
To start with the recipe, first, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit
Or
200 degrees Celsius, if you prefer Celsius. This is crucial because we want our salmon to cook evenly. While the oven is heating up, line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This will prevent the salmon from sticking and make cleanup a breeze. Once that's ready, place your 1.75-pound salmon fillet on the sheet. Check for any pin bones by gently running your fingers over the surface. If you find any, use tweezers to remove them.
now,
Rub the salmon with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt, and 0.5 teaspoon of black pepper. This will enhance the flavor and help create a nice crust. Next, pop the salmon into the oven and let it bake for about 15 minutes. This is where the magic starts. After 15 minutes, switch your oven to broil and let the salmon cook for an additional 3 to 5 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the top is a beautiful golden brown and the fish flakes easily with a fork. This step is crucial because broiling gives the salmon a deliciously crispy top layer. Once done, take it out.
and let it rest.
This resting period allows the juices to redistribute, keeping the salmon moist and flavorful. While the salmon is resting, let's move on to the bruschetta mixture. In a bowl, combine 3 cups of halved cherry tomatoes, 2 minced garlic cloves, and 1 finely chopped small shallot. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 0.25 cup of balsamic vinegar. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Finally, toss in 0.5 cup of fresh basil leaves, roughly chopped. This mixture should be vibrant and aromatic, with the tomatoes glistening from the oil and vinegar. By the way, since many of you ask about this kitchen knife set that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Now comes an important step. Spoon the bruschetta mixture generously over the rested salmon. The juicy tomatoes and fragrant basil will complement the rich, flaky salmon perfectly. Make sure to cover the entire surface for maximum flavor in every bite. For a finishing touch, drizzle some balsamic reduction over the top. This adds a sweet and tangy note that ties all the flavors together. If you don't have balsamic reduction, you can make a quick version by simmering balsamic vinegar until it thickens. Finally, sprinkle some freshly grated Parmesan cheese over the salmon. The cheese will add a savory depth and a hint of creaminess. You can adjust the amount to your liking, but a light dusting should do the trick. Serve the salmon bruschetta immediately while it's still warm. The contrast between the hot, flaky salmon and the fresh, cool bruschetta is simply delightful. Enjoy this easy yet impressive dish with friends or family and savor the burst of flavors in every bite. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
Bye.